Hi everyone, in this video I wanna show you a situation. I guess many of you have been in the same situation when I want to change the floor, but all floor is furnished, and also you need to do leveling as well. So this is solution what I did. So just last week I did floor leveling. I need to remove laminate floor, old laminate floor, and then reinstall hardwood engineering floor floating system. So when I removed laminate floor, I found in the middle of the room how the floor is breathing. It means when you walk it up and down, moving. So after, when I install around 100 square feet, I put heaviest furniture on this floor. It gave me room for work. I checked this area where was floor breathing, and I found all the way deep spot. So what I did, I put, you see, boxes on the end of the, when I finish floor, and I overlap underlay to protect the floor from the splashing of the self-leveling compound and primer, and then I primed this area. I used Novoplan SP. It's a new material for me. If you know, I already did few jobs and I showed before this material how it's working. It's a really good material. So I apply primer L for concrete subfloor, regular concrete subfloor, and then I apply this Novoplan SP. What's the benefits from this material for you? It's not drying so fast like previous materials, like Novoplan 2 Plus. It's drying faster than this material, so you have more time for make this application. For forcing drying this material in this job, I just use a little bit warmer water. It's like room temperature, maybe a little bit more higher, because if I will use cool water, it's drying so long, like more than an hour. I mean settle. In this leveling I'm not using spike roller because I avoid any splashing around the room, to the walls, and to the new floor what I installed in furniture. So what I did, I use straight edge and slide it back and forth few times. It gave me to make nice mirror on this self-leveling compound, and it's for sure it's not the 100% like when I'm using spike roller, but it's really good. And just next day I only grinding the edges a little bit, and was very good leveling. After finish floor leveling, don't forget to put air blower. If you have two, it will be better, and open window for air circulation. It can minimize your waiting time for continue your floor installation. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.